You know, I had some guys ask me if I would make a video, just a kind of a day in the life thing for us and show exactly what we do while we're home, when we're not on the road. And so we went ahead and we're like, yeah, okay, let's do it. And of course, wife's teaching, so she's not in a lot of this video. But you know, I'm cooler. Later. Did y'all see the weights actually grew in that? Yeah, they did.
Yeah, I know. Doing the last part, that's kind of impressive. I try to do them every once in a while because it's literally like an everything deal and going to failure. Oh, welcome to the day in the life of Lloyd. And next stop, Home Depot, because I got to replace the crapper hose. And also clean out my pickup. I've accumulated stuff. Let me tell you what. Being away from the gym for like 5 days is kind of exhausting. I got the shakes going on and stuff, probably because I haven't ate, but that's fine. So I'm looking for the cheapest solution because there's a pig, literally a hog, that keeps getting out and it's next door and keeps knocking over a sewer line. So sometimes when you go to Home Depot and you ask somebody, it's a gamble. They could be, I'm going to give them a 20% of the time they're actually correct. This time they were correct. So I can get this, 28.86. It's 3-inch. Or I can get this cheaper for 28.56. 30 cents makes a difference. And I need holes in the bottom of it. That way it'll drain out. I don't have to worry about stuff. Plus, made in America. I didn't slap it and say that ain't going nowhere, but I don't think that's going nowhere. Yeah, projects, right? I'm at Chick-fil-A and the guy is flirting with the girl in front of me. It's kind of funny. It's cute to watch. He's got no game whatsoever. Okay, maybe he wasn't actually flirting. Maybe he was just that talkative and that nice because he was that talkative to me. I didn't need to know that he had tap, swipe, and chip breeder on his thing. I need diesel. Wife won't go with me to get it. She's riding my truck. So she would rather take her car everywhere, and I'm like, yeah, I get it. I do. I understand you want to take your car, but I like driving my truck, and I hate driving her car, but she just doesn't care. So, also, she's 267 right now, and I'm happy about that, but I know it's going down. I try to do a good thing for the wife. I got her a chicken bowl, but I ordered a grilled chicken bowl, and old boy was too busy telling me that he has tap and all that stuff and all that in his little thingy-majigger, so he got her a breaded chicken bowl, and she can't eat it because she's got a gluten allergy. So I made a mistake, but I tried. But it's a good thing she had cereal already. Okay, sometimes you can't actually get what you need, so you have to build it, make it. I need something to put underneath our sewer hose, that way it doesn't get knocked over, it doesn't droop, it doesn't do all that stuff. So, but I can't put it in this pipe, so therefore I'm going to cut this pipe in half the long way and then make it work, I think. As I'm trying to do this, it's going to be a lot harder than I think it is.
Oh dear God, that was not a good idea. Yeah, I changed up, and I thought, well, what about cutting it? Cutting it didn't work, and so then I sat there and thought, well, okay, I'll go back the other way with the hacksaw. That didn't work. And then I sat there and I thought, well, maybe I got to move it. And then I walked around, had some brain farts, and I sat there and thought about it, and I thought, why don't I burn this thing? Yeah, I know that don't make sense, but if I melt the plastic, then I can go ahead and cut it.
All right, so here's the deal. That didn't work at all, so I got a better idea. I'm gonna heat it up, and then I'm gonna cut it with a knife. I think that's gonna work. Probably gonna go back. It's probably gonna go real back. Yeah. I think it's gonna work. It's working out great. Actually worked pretty well. A lot better than I thought it was going to. Don't tell my wife. But yeah, it was a lot harder than I anticipated. But that's okay because just cutting it with a knife after I heat it up, it's working great. I'm able to spread it open, all that good stuff. That was way better. And yeah, it just started splitting open. Once I figured out how to do it, yeah, it's great. Also, I probably should change it. Yeah, I don't want you getting a curve. I can let it all cool down now. So, I grew up really stupid poor. Not really stupid poor. I mean, there were people that were worse than us. We had a roof over our heads. We had the same roof over our heads as long as I knew. The one thing that I learned from my dad, who loved my dad dearly, I don't talk to him enough, and I damn sure don't see him enough, but it was that just because you don't have the right tool doesn't mean you can't do the job. If you have a crescent, you also have a hammer. It's not just for tightening bolts. So as long as you figure out a way to make things work, you'll always be okay. You don't always have to follow the normal way of thinking. Now, granted, it's nice to have the right tool for the job, and sometimes you have to have the right tool for the job, but most time you can make it work.
Are we going?
Yeah. Hey, say, I didn't realize what time it was. Almost.
This man. Got things to do.
Huh?
Places to go.
Just trying to fix stuff. I gotta put things up real quick. Don't touch that, it's hot.
Don't touch that. It's hot. I probably wouldn't have touched it anyways. I guess we're taking your truck? Or can we take my car?
I had a feeling you were gonna want to take your car.
Uh-huh.
That's why I filled up with diesel earlier, because I was gonna need to do that. So, but yeah, let me.
Well, you
finish.
still have tomorrow to fill up with diesel.
No,
so.
I already filled up.
Uh-huh.
I took care of business. So, yeah.
I don't know why you rushing.
Because I had 6 minutes left. until your class wasn't supposed to be getting over till 10. You turn that on?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, shut it off.
Shut it up. Do this. Do that. Hey.
Oh, sorry.
Oh,
I'll be walking her.
he ain't struggling.
I ain't even struggling. I've got it on the max of 15 high. So I'm going uphill. So, yeah, I only do this for a little bit, and then it's butt time. Forgot to do that. But anyhow, I had to go take a drug test for another company. So, got that done. Now I believe we're going to Sobrook No Team.
Remember, I'm always listening.
What? I'm doing my French lesson.
Oh, yeah, that's right. She's going to Tan. Baskin Robbins is right next door. She told me not to get any. A small deal of cookies and cream and get it 8 before she gets out.
What?
She just smacked my ass like it was going out of style. You ain't gonna do it again either. Because I'm 2 up on you now. I get to beat the shit out of you. Walmart. Yep. So now it's dinner time. Well, lunchtime. Brooke's gonna make food once we get to the house. And then she's gonna go for a walk with me. She convinced me to take a nap instead of going for a walk. Can't blame her. Tuna fish. I'm hungry. It's 4 o'clock. I hadn't ate other than that little bowl. We're down twice today. We watching Landman.
Stay in your lane.
I'm fine. Alright, so now we've watched a show. That's all we watched today. She taught and did all that. And went to the gym a few times. And yeah, so now we're gonna go because she's got a beauty appointment to get her waxed. Right?
Finally. I'm ready.
We're working on spreadsheets, so she's yelling at me. What?
Let it go.
It is bedtime. She doesn't want video, but appreciate you hanging out with us today. That's a day in the life of us. If you want more travel vlogging, let us know. Or daily vlog. Anyway, later.